for high juicy news. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news enamede brabo. Na ansana and something in Abebano. So we subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe. Na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufro so na we be here na wo hu and someone ekoso e wo Ghana me mo anam. Afi ye share eye and someone abeto yepno so. Inkuti AS report ya aba betu dwa mo mayiti AS report yi
say who political party na we shall buy say with 169 seats in parliament na a majority now coalition na so te about 36 and I said 37
that is what
just one more bra say safi honum now one appreciate it. Now we depreciate it further.
Yeah.
To 87 It tells you say one more brapa.
Okay.
On why you need paying party within 8 years or to me reduce it from 169 seats to 87. A chose kind of football.
Yeah.
It was a national rejection. Or my money na reject too. Ufa 16 regions what Ghana hana NPP nyamu say. Of the 16 regions, NPP won only 2 regions.
92.3.
NDC we need 14 regions. Anza? I would think say the time is now.
Okay.
Say you be pushy parliament. No more shemra to be president of this country, you must win at least more than half of the 16 regions.
Okay.
You must have a national character, national representation. And yes, the party waiting with the 2 regions, 3 regions, they are ruling Ghana, which will not make sense. It will not be national in character. So I say, we find a constitution now, your appointment in power, it must have a national character. It must have national representation. And to political parties, no more executives, they take into consideration regional or national representation. Yeah. And it's quite election now Owusu to this level. What you do is you do self-introspection.
Okay.
Okotrasi. Na wabi samo na madrin dream say there near ye enti a Ghana for bufu ye see a then ye intia according to Makokwe report deeper over 2 million a party members and kasa reject ye.
Okay.
Se wo hu saa de na na wa position ho the kwamen me faso me ya Ghana for be sanya gidie wo me mu. No more the 2 million shillings are dachi.
Akoto FM 92.3.
And yet to trust him. And yet to obey. And yet did it. And caneno. Na ye ka NPP a ye party a year ni mudifo party.
That's right.
Akuku dam. Sabi omwa dream do. So they trade ideas. But a party na bedru level be a anza. Say wun Jimmy ye more dama wun ni kwasi asem kan ye ma wun ni omonim bio. The one NPP a bedru ne.
Okay.
Enti wo de hwe NPP ni bia wo ye leader ene.
Okay.
Never to the other political parties. Me the main kind NDC, faculty PNC.
Okay.
Faculty to me more akbaludia no. Abi.
Okay.
Komo de monka. CPP no mo nehwe. As the quality of leadership of NPP no. Ato
form.
Ba no mabu.
Okay.
Enti sabe obi aso na nanumufu a otimi be di leader. Ye no one say na me. Tie sa papa yo kasa ya born odi. O say na no speaker rule.
Yeah.
And now the position ye dey. And that now speaker Emma that ruling, what was his position?
Okay.
Were there for what the speaker did? Did the NPP then support the speaker? Almost support the speaker. Did they not drive the speaker to court?
Exactly.
A man pass speaker and go court. And then the speaker Bekano Obiniso.
Okay.
Speaker told you, or speaker ruled, man yentu. You drag the speaker to court.
Or you see the same ruling as reference in the.
That's enemy bisano, enemy can say, oh, you a fise, and now no ruling na speaker Mayano. They did not follow.
Yeah.
Did they follow? Yeah, ni ano mo drag speaker a ruling here in the matter of 3 MPs, no. Amanfi Central, MP Baku, Central Region, there was one MP, and then Eastern Region, another MP, Boafu, Eastern Region, Cynthia Mamley Morrison, in the Central Region, then NDC MPB, Babia, I Kechayiri Wono. Is that Memphis Central?
Yeah.
Honum. Omo declared that seat vacant. What happened? When the speaker ruled, you challenge the decision of the speaker. The Ben Aube who says speaker's decisions are final. Since when did the NPP realize the speaker Kasa are final and that they must be principled? Yet Ghana and a speaker ma ruling. Speaker sorry akonyaso. Ajo ose Owusu betra akonyam.
Yeah.
And no dane speaker ruling. NC of parliament. Where's the principle? A BC that's a Ghana speaker akonyano.
Yeah.
What is speaker akonyaso and I want to aba. From 92 you practicing democracy until 2024. NPP call court. Emma we when organizer of the NPP Gertrude Arabatoko no eko dane sa de no se eno kwanya on ye we na ye ani ye boa
That's any boa.
yeah ani ye ni ye boa no na ye sa de no ene ka da bi o se wutie dwamu a ultimate aba. It has never happened in the history of this country. So there is always a first time. Into precedents, no, omunyaika.
Okay.
Precedents, they should stop talking precedents. Because there was precedents, but you tested the law. Wherein lies your principles? Into the mumu need principles. But I am disappointed. Say a party that boasted of having the men and women of timber, fiber, and caliber. Now we share the kind of people they selected to lead a minority caucus in parliament now. Now, you see, Niaubidriano, Enuana Obitra.
Sure.
NPP planted violence, rowdy leadership, and they are reaping the fruit of their labor. Ni Afenyo Nimiye, and they say, Obi Hahan and Chairman for vetting committee. So now I mean, Tia say on a person cabro for is Obia NTV Ghana. Onu ne be lidi yanko ye demonstrate yanko transi. It is not time for you to demonstrate.
Okay.
This is time for you to do something. Remember Ghana for anya mujidi. It is about the budget abetuwa. You stand with the people of Ghana.
Okay.
Kofa buying manifesto. Do sleepless night. Cross all the check it. They are buying cars to obey. the manifesto promise, the budget taba. Check and see whether they've captured it. So mine now come and tell Ghanaians.
Okay.
Any be never Ghana. Then yes, say court I declare was a main tears here. Other good and now we are here.
FM 92.3.
Now no man there NPP for no. And you go to court.
Go to court.
I feel back home mayo.
Baby.
If you want a popular song on the lips of the NPP people in this country, it was go to court. And you can now go to court. Also, no more go to court. And then, and the court don't go.
They are done a kangaroo judges, kangaroo judgment, kangaroo court.
Judges send Akufo Addo to court. Akufo Addo, before he left office, has packed the Supreme Court.
Akoto FM 92.3.
Akufo Addo, before he left office, na High Court Tayema. Not less than 59 judges na Akufo Addo di call High Court. High Court alone. Court of Appeal. Akufo Addo appointed NPP Constitutional Legal Committee member to Supreme Court. Opokwa do say he was a lecturer at the University of Ghana. NPP committee na omudi Paula Fogo.
Yeah.
He was a member of that committee.
Akoto FM 92.3.
But yeah, the NPP. He is at Court of Appeal. And you are a kangaroo court. Who set up kangaroo court?
Okay.
Akufo Addo ne shasi ekofa ayi Bakubu of voter region, parliamentary candidate, West, Eddie Nibaye,
yeah,
and many others. Example, a bit job. When did the court become a kangaroo court? That means the Ghana School of Law training kangaroos, lawyers. Is that not it? For me, it is really not a matter.
Okay.
They've come back to their senses. That's it. Or Omohu, what is the Omoye no Moye, Omoko try to share videos. Omohu so mo go one has Omoni Masi.
Okay.
And Nuntin Penufat to a more for Ebe Omoye no Makasach Rom. So they've decided to say, Bibiania, on where they Omudibeko court.
Okay.
Ali, that is what or reporter Naka. So Bibiania, they want to promote their two people, so they will go to court. That is how reasonable people behave.
Okay.
That is how we build democracy. It is not about noise making. About 15 items went through free without any proper scrutiny. But the Ghana Fabro.
Okay.
You disappointed the people of Ghana because the onus of checking and buying, holding government responsible, accountable, no, it is on the shoulders of minority. You can't opposition, no. And on the floor of parliament, a one year pass bills, no.
Yeah.
Appropriation, no. A one year shim crudin, and making sure say near sefata in the map approval. You were centered on Bandai seats. Ebe come home pa muntimin fam fre emergency parliamentary sitting.
Yeah.
Do you get it? With your present number, you cannot even summon parliament. Until your number is as useless as any other thing.
Akoto FM 92.3.
What is it? Until you could have stayed in the house, criticized the appropriation. Now, Mama, Ghana find the best act of Sabajeta. Ato Forson presenting annually. But what did they do? They chose to make noise. They chose to picket. They chose to vandalize things. They chose to share this floor of parliament. Items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. NPP for NDC for who say omu ni one and the yam fam when they your no mushini na kwa. And now makot na we. You cannot bring back
Gabby.
no mu ye no. That bogus argument say because the maize was not erected and that maize you see maize as in there was no business of the house and you intimate foco. Meteo report and I was see the atmosphere in the house does not even give an impression. Say the people were that rowdy yesterday.
Yeah.
As Afghanistan and now Ukraine talk now their China's and fiancé. According to your reporter, who could do parliament this year, sanity has prevailed. It is all smiles, jokes, and what have you. You see, there comes a time in leadership, you stop confrontation. You use your mouth, you lobby. Yeah. You do backdoor negotiations. NDC today in Parliament have about 180 plus. Yeah. They really don't need that bandai to change anything. And it say, "Udi mukasa na udi obo manipa we see and I'm engage yeah maybe it wouldn't have gotten to this level." Sometimes engagement is good. Yeah. A typical example. Maybe no people will doubt it, but I'm telling you on authority. Patrick Bawumia seat, yeah. Yeah. You know that seat was won by the NDC. Yeah. A home come by sorry, I say. NDC winning that seat. But we went negotiation. And for another one come. Samuel Abu for constituency. Okay. Damango. He lost that seat. Even the chief of that town, Kasi, he is not recognizing Abu as an MP. Quickly, and then this for friends, our man appointment was one of the first CEOs. I know we didn't go to Atta resources with our kilo, just so he can keep quiet. It be bright to see to it. Yeah. What have you? Now, I'm not on Penanka seat. I'm not on Penna seat.
So, conversation by Kwabena can say, almost free pandaya, almost consequent.
That's it. They have been said. And I'm one. We see sometimes you are cut among visit, yeah, Pecasa. I said, didn't get when you are eating with the devil, you want to do that with a long spoon. So I say, you know the people you are dealing with. Able games. This is what you get. And yes, this time I end this fire, so they want to be strong enough. Or may firm kakrano. And they decide to deal with our. Of thinking, say, oh yeah, they didn't be bra. They will give in. Yeah. No No, it shouldn't be. Yeah, but be a time will come, your parliament better than the Zimbabwe parliament. A time will come, our parliament contain a Kenyan parliament, a bit more than South African parliament. You will get blows flying. I fly that out. Blows are flying in our parliament. Sure. You've been see that, but it happened. In fact, AK-47 arrived at Parliament with that. You see, and people we are supposed to respect as honorable men and women. No, Subayo Omuda Nadini, Obati Fie Shell, some Papa ye MP, honorable so and so and so. Na Omuza ni Papa bo table so. If Papa read that table, so yet they never pay 2 blows of Parliament. You see, Fataye, okay, it casts us in a bad light. And the earlier the NPP party decides to do something about the present leadership of the party in parliament, the better for the image of the party. Sure. Afenyo Markin is rowdy, pompous, arrogant, and has very condescending tone. Fanetun change. Anno Dompreh. Anno Dompreh could not be kuma. So mon crams or more the parliament or Dombeku.
Yeah.
The more bien subia. Again, a warmonger. And a mayan leader of parliament. Share Habibu no.
I'm sure so no one can say Okoto say NPP ni.
Yeah. Buano. Yeah. Yeah. Okano Ablukuma.
Sure.
Habib constituency 2020 Omuku Nipa 40 Chimana. A young girl died in his constituency. Shot dead.
Akoto FM 92.3.
Any leader. Ahmed Ibrahim. On the ocean and what me to be fiba. Ahmed Ibrahim. Wait, Shaibu. I what decide. We heard that what to be fiba.
92.3.
If you look at him carefully, you know where he's coming from. And in one my parliament in Pono Majana Kunyasino. Because it's a first timer.
Yeah. Yeah.
On Medi MP Dao. But ye na yen swear in Kwan NPP Faja Kunyamano. Somebody deputy whip. Because Muni obey my when it comes to Tokako.
That's true.
Yeah. And the so who joke to say Patrick Bawumia in NPP unya position. So when you to say you may do you won't get anything in parliament. Ona one what to say maybe in cancer word you won't get anything. You must be stupid to be able to be recognized in the NPP.
Be a party
but you must be rowdy, you must be vulgar talking. You must have acidic mouth.
No, Timmy
and sana umenya position. And to check the people for leadership. Shebuga. Chamambuga. On a never boxer. Mark Tyson. Ewe NPP. She had an abachi. Henry Nanabi. She come a bronye. She Afenyo Markin. She won't to me no more. Bobodin. Amade ku amanda. Akufo kasa we na be yina no. The president Akufo kasa. The nipa be yina no. You get it.
Yeah, na ban gwane
polling station executive kwa one hold the position be that.
Sure.
Kejimfo na ye na darama no be fa say the deputy be. And grab a sabotage. And then when Akufo finish talking, you look at the people manly say Akufo to go and attack Akufo. As well Akufo can get in at them. But upper recognition. Upper see a mona basso.
Okay.
And to Akufo kasa we no party ka kana da ho no. Obi an kasa o. Boy. And be yina no. It tells you
the be a party na do.
I true.
Obi an so kan hwe kire.
Obi an so obi Obi a party. So Obi a party. Obi can say nye school no moko, a party no mondom. And to be intimate to be saying they won't living a life. And it's sad.
All right.
With this attitude, how can you win 2028?
But it's off a first mama now.
Oh yes, I did. I wanna breaking the 8 year catch them. Say South Sumaya Mutimu Pesemem Kumanya di Jadin Sama Mutimu no entimi mamum break 8 or 1 year. And I'll be doing it. As I could, yeah, a foot on your 2 beer.
Okay.
Made the manusi. You see, Otu a craft for an hour today. Ajamazu for an Antana Mukano.
Yeah.
Very good.
Jamwano tune for moment, so I saw on Sunyabi. Until Jamafu no crown as I saw for.
And none last week never now studio and I'm a car say. More minister we, Lance minister.
Okay.
Sa lithium adina o kana 5% na ye mra 5% na ye mra no onhwe yi.
Okay.
Un say na abase o married draw. Sounds abase o married draw.
Sure.
You see, oh ya ban no unpopular na ye kamu pese mo beti. There are 2 ministries. In fact, to say about 3. Mo pese mo ya ban no hu fi. Apart from that, everything is okay. Galamsey ministry ho. Attorney General Ora.
Yeah.
Ho. And ane mo so be yesin car registration.
Communication ho.
O we no mu na egu aban no. Because Ato Forson ya na there. Energy minister by light is so. E sha se na nya na ye kan ye no tie wa ye ni yi. Ha na edu so ye tia no kakra no. Was straighten no or ye ni juma. Ahmed Ibrahim by ya hey why study obia ye ne de sa ministries mensawi sasaku so wuni mo ma ochiro mo akatro mo.
All right.
So me say mo mungu aban no na ma abone ho modin.
Okay. Let us say you
Say if there's something like this na obe na ye in camera hearing. And no ubetima decide say you prevent any other person other than the parties.
Okay.
With the judge.
Okay.
And the clerk. Now, any lawyers are involved with. So, I'm not saying it's a BSC.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's a okay.
Sure.
She's in the veil. I'm not saying open now. She said, Obeba in 2, and I need part 3, but not with a hoodie and what have you. You see, your judges in your courts, no more way.
Okay.
You see, say, undercover investigator say, or the reporter brewer. Under what circumstances? And no, the report in the brew. Do you say, mean standing by your reporter? You don't publish it. You must be willing and able to stand by your report.
Okay.
And he said, "Oh no, walk undercover. No one record. Do now the bar. You must be able to come and show off your face, especially in court. Your undercover journalists, every investigative journalists in this country, they don't wear hoodie. They are not hiding their faces. And this is the compass when I know information. For me, I don't think there's any wrong. The T studio, then they encourage people with power and those with that power.
Okay.
So cross the line now. We will tell you you can't go natural. You see, court should stop protecting people.
Okay.
Under the guise of they need security, you know. What is the security? You have risked yourself already. And you say, Nipana ma, will that evidence be accepted?
Okay.
Now, is the court accepting that evidence? Because Nipana challenge the evidence. The authenticity of the evidence now more can Nipana challenge. What do? You need the person to cross-examine the person. I still cross-examine Nipana. And no matter the level, court never can be so.
Okay.
Emma Nipana court no one to do nano.
So in this case, you know, say only the lawyers of the accused, the accused persons themselves,
yes,
court staff, and then security officers may be present.
That is how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
How is it? That is how it's supposed to be. But I can say, crowd, yeah, no, we cannot accept that as a sound reasoning of a court.
Okay.
Because he who alleges, you know, must definitely prove the allegation, the burden of proof.
Okay.
The matter because you tones are say, it behoves on me to prove, say indeed, me when you na so because you tones are say. What I say? Men can they do so? I was there be me investigative journalism, you know. I won't come.
Yeah.
No. You don't have that luxury.
Okay.
So luxury so you better decide where to go and speak and where not to go and speak. Once we have decided that is what you want to do, and go and give your evidence to the court. Nobody is after you.
Yeah.
Obia and Obia, if you know you are telling the truth, Obia and Obia, let me tell you.
Yes, sir.
Nobody will do anything to you. The Nipa Nankasa wa trust some na fan no. Onu say no cre and na wa tro. O evidence are. Osra wumposi jai. They beg, they go all out to see people to talk to you to drop the story. They hardly want to threaten you. People who threaten are the barons and what have you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna threaten. So
it means before I do this stage, not just say, "Oh no, I want you to swap." Say you all can with your case with your Mr.
Yeah,
I ain't can watch you. That's right.
Yeah.
No, 9 money, you run.
And Obada. Ozu cram, and then or yet least mistake. Obeko. And John says, so be power show.
Yeah.
I say, a band we are shassing. A crabby or mumma juma. Now before the office or no sign contract. Was sign contract. Now you crack contract and ruins them. Notice a ye come over, baby. What did he do? Oh, small be one of the time. This is a year was to the train. And a nipane paya chome and come. Can you a chop uncle to do good for when I so I say, when sad, dear Kana, someone who be ya hanya, una on bet you. Ultimate giddy. What I say, and you know, dear Arabraka, caught is almost so more dribble. You are caught to fool. Oh, my bro, oh, my bread. E bi no makoye lumba nsem we idea be dru he did doubt me asem we sit on e dey kono no maka say no kra nsama na ira na no ahimfi o mu di ni simple no we di kokota no more di ni truka
now it means you're okay there definitely will be recommended this ADR ne adie
o da me ADR de me nyi Onagana court system there me shut down in this hour. Onazi win this court. To get a good lawyer, such as you must have money.
Yeah.
Only good lawyer. Ukokota obelusu. Lawyers be moko carry. Yeah. Oko subro for good judge no so.
Akoto FM.
Now one of school of our brother to me talk. Now, to say catch more time cry. Kwabi Akufo no mo. About court. Obosu brofo sa obe wi judge na confused o nu ni oka. Di asam na tia. Enti me coming kwade a traditional way.
Enu.
Oh, na o yes atra ku you ko fine. And that's it. Oh God. Ufie ni ho. Fagene ne kotan baby. E kan no di echi obeba. Obeba na busan be di pa fo wuko.
92.3.
Apapa na ewo mu no. Atiomo. Awe. Next time we ningwa tasem.
Akoto ko wi ni mo ko na ponche no beti mo fifiri.
This says I won't find ningwa tasem. Because me niska ko 3 months o. Lawyer Abeka Jozi me court to be from 2,000, 4,000 me fanto petrol. O kotamale. Me was what they charge you. What charge me mama ska o court I mean fanto petrol. What charge me 30,000, what charge me 50,000. Was a court to be out 2,000. Me ma 2,000. Now if you feel court 2,000 for. I o court I tamale. Da. Engine me ni sa adaje.
Akoso e fom ho kra na ya na ya.
Engine pa no tra no. Krati dentenana makum ko ndo masama ona makumba pembe biatra truck de benya wa mo
92.3
traditional way
truck ne benya wa mo born now survive one survive next time. That's
Mr. Charles McCarthy.
Now Chief Justice had $5 million bribe, but dear you are Kotrafi. One thing Ghana. Now $5,000.
Oh yeah.
We are talking about $5 million. Will be on the case. Or the case are court. The case are my lawyer Gusu Dia Semono. At them $5 million, they are called my Chief Justice. My Chief Justice, I recommend this case enough. Because don't need the case, no. Any this case enough. Because don't need the come out producers who produce and go the case, no. I see what Ghana. Kwasi ni your lawyer ni na obo no kwadu no so fikumase o di kwai lawyer Kwasi o di on so do lawyer Kwasi sa Kwasi bibi ene bonus kwadu no emesi ne Chief Justice anyi na no eno di call retirement so ku we sure so benya $5 million
the best way na wo kan all right was Charles McCarthy and what's in Kano.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.